Hi guys, Dirk here, Freedom Lifestyles Academy. If you're here for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. This video is about the best Jarvee proxies 2019 and 2018. And a lot of things happened in Instagram world, so to say, and Jarvee and automation. The algorithm changed a lot, and certain features in Jarvee just stopped working. And one of them is reposting, and many of you experience follow blocks, accounts getting suspended even, and things like that. I don't know where you are, because I lost definitely several accounts, old accounts. I think even I lost about 250, 300,000 followers spread over certain accounts. But hey, don't worry, part of the game. Rebuild, start building again, but use the right proxies. If you're going to that video, that is a video about proxies that I'm also using, but you know, just for accounts, for following and unfollowing, and they work perfectly. They're safe, they're great, they're affordable, and definitely a great selection. But if you're using proxies for Instagram and proxies in Jarvee, and you want to use the reposting feature, then those proxies will not work. Maybe you already have experiences, maybe you're using high proxies. So I definitely do not recommend high proxies. Lost all my accounts that were attached with high proxies, but hey, and they do not do what they were supposed to do. Also not with this feature, and the feature I'm talking about is the reposting feature. Maybe you have experiences. If you look in Jarvee, it says that it is finished, the task is finished, but if you look on your Instagram account, no pictures there. So that is definitely an issue. I did the research that what Jarvee recommends is mobile proxies, and then later they came back on it. There's a feature if you go to with the campaigns for reposting, just out of my head, right? Campaigns. And then you have the overview. If you go to the certain campaign overview, and then you can click advanced, and then go to Instagram, and then you see that you can post as video and post on story and on your wall. If you tick those two, your post will be posted as well. But there will be a video sign and a play button on your image, and it is an image. I did not like that. I don't, you know, it just doesn't really look sexy and appealing. So I started to search for this different solution, and it's all got to do with proxies. Many proxies are used by many other people for social media, and a lot of proxies are, you know, are flagged by Instagram. Like, okay, these are misused. This is for automation. Bang, you can't use them anymore. And many of these proxy deliveries out there are, you know, are familiar with everybody. Everybody's using them, and that's why everybody has this error. So what I found, I want to share my screen here, and if you click the button below this video, just the first one, it brings you directly to this page, and I recommend you to do that because, you know, you do not want to get lost and get the wrong ones. And if you go here, this is by personal proxy, and this is a more expensive solution. I'm gonna be upfront with here, but I presume the reason why you're here is because you have a business, an online business, and making money online, and you're making money online, right? Because if not, I recommend you to check out the Instagram training that we have here below this video, because that's where I explained all the great settings in Jarvee and how you can automate your business. There's no reason why you should not make money online if you follow those steps. Me and my family living here in Costa Rica, all through, you know, what we do on Instagram. But that being said, just go out, check out the training. It's definitely worth it. You are up to date with the right settings and do not lose accounts constantly. So, but here you go. You go to buy proxies. Let me see how my internet is today. Hey, it's great. So then you want to go here. There are three options. Dedicated. It's daily, monthly, but these are data, and you want to have residential IPs. Residential IPs are just really local IPs, and they have a pool and they circulate. But you know, do not break your head on how it works. I only can say they do work. So view here, and you see that one proxy is almost $6, so definitely more expensive. thing, but if you're using for your business, I recommend at least have 30 Instagram accounts up and running for your business. Do not stick to 1 or 5. It just doesn't make sense. You want to go in the numbers and focus on around 50 leads per day, and that is possible with more Instagram. And there are many features how to get that up, but this definitely works. So you see, if you get 50, there are $3. Of course, if you 100, the price is low, but this is, gets more and more expensive. So let's say you do 20. I really scale up, but it's 1 proxy, 1 Instagram account. Do not cheat on this, because it will end in getting banned, and you will also maybe damage these kind of proxies. So this is, be gentle with it. Do not, you're paying for this, so use them wisely. So what you're going to do is just purchase proxy plan, and you just so if you're using, you can read this, are compatible with let me see here, Instagram here, and it works perfectly for me. So what you do, you buy them. You can look for destinations. They're apparently sold out, and you have to know when you buy these proxies, they're yours. You can change them every month, or I will definitely recommend it. I recommend you to get these and hold on to them. So they're yours, and they're not being misused. They're yours. Now, what you will do is you just add them and go through the buying process. And here, you can also do that after you purchase them. And you will get your proxies within, I think, within 3 minutes. They make a list. This is pretty cool. I'm not going to go through the buying process here. That is very easy. They have a countdown. I think it's 250 seconds. It counts down, and then you have your proxy list. You download them. You have an Excel form or text, and you have just a list. But one is very important. You are using Jarvee. If you're using Jarvee in a VPS, and you can check out the other video here about the VPS that I definitely recommend. Use the IP of the VPS that you're using. Right? If you're using a VPS, then you know what I'm talking about. You have to use the IP address of your virtual desktop. Are you running Jarvee on your local desktop, your Windows computer? Use your own IP. That is here. You can also authenticate them with username and password, but this often gives errors. And if you authenticate them with your IP, perfect. No issues whatsoever. Reposting works, and it's just very, very easy. I know it's a more expensive option, but if you do want to do your reposting, use this exclusive premium dedicated plan. If you're doubtful, if you're not sure you want to spend this money, go to this page and test a proxy for 24 hours. You just send in a ticket, they will give you 1 proxy, and you go and test. And that's what I did. It turns out it works perfect. It started to reposting again, and I just after 24 hours I got the proxies. So this being said, just click the link below this video, brings you here. Then you go to premium dedicated. Here they are, monthly premium dedicated proxies. These are the proxies that will help you to do the reposting on Instagram. Now, if you're on Jarvee, so Instagram, and if you're creating new accounts because you lost your accounts, you're creating new accounts, you go to global settings in Jarvee, and in Jarvee you see create your Instagram accounts, and that is where I'll put this video is how to do that, and use the proxy to create your account, and the rest follows. But have this proxy attached to this Instagram account forever, or for a long time. That will give you the best result. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about this dedicated premium proxies, then drop them here down below in the comments here on YouTube, and I'll definitely on it. I always answer the questions I get. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Really, really appreciate it. And tick the bell icon, because I do more and more. I'm always on top of this. This also for our Instagram training that you find here below. Always need to be updated, because I want you to have the best results in your business and create a life of freedom, so that you can move anywhere in the world. Like here we live in Costa Rica, because you're a digital nomad, or you're living the freedom lifestyle. Anyways, Talk soon. See you in the next video. Bye guys.